Cost accounting is not a simple concept. In this article, I share how there are at least 8 different types of cost. What this means is that your organization and your leadership team need to understand how these different costs affect how they make their products, how they cost the products, and how much they sell their products for. There are different ways of analyzing what products really cost because there are different methodologies on what to include and what not to include. For example, some organizations prefer to put all the cost of production into the product cost, where some only put variable costs. There's a reason for either case, but you must understand the nuances and the details and the logic behind each argument. Only by understanding all the options that are available out there can you then decide which is the best one for you and your organization. If the goal is to understand true product profitability, you have to understand the options that are available, understand what you're going to do, and what you're not going to do. I hope that by the end of this article, you have a really strong foundation on the different types of cost and manufacturing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, also check out my other articles on cost accounting, manufacturing excellence, and standard costing. I'm sure whatever it is you're looking for is on my website. So read this article, and I'd love to know what you think.